Hi everyone, I'm Masood Ahmed, English as second language teacher. Today's lecture is about spoken English, so we'll discuss the expected outcomes after this lecture. All learners they would get deeper insight into phenomena of spoken English, and they would learn diverse topics while dealing with spoken English. And all of the learners they would develop strategies and techniques when they would involve in spoken English aspects. And further, if anyone has some of the hesitations and he or she would remove hesitation and build confidence. The very first topic is personal information. So all these hints while speaking about your personal information in a sequence, you have to keep it in your view. You have to take particular position, like as you would say, I'm Muhammad Ali, I'm 25 years old, I'm married, I have two children, and I was born in United Kingdom, London. So I work in a bank as I completed my master's in business administration. I read novel and drama books, and I watch movies as well. My hobby is gardening, so I go to my garden and water my plants, and I enjoy walking there. I like cold drinks, but I don't like tea. In the same way, I like cricket, but I don't like hockey. That's all about me. Next is about your family. As you have to take particular position, you would say, I'm John, I'm 27 years old, I'm married, I have one sister and one brother. So my sister is married, but my brother is single. So my mother, she is housewife, but my father, he has his own shop. My whole family is very loving and caring. I love my family very much, as all my family, like my siblings and parents, they provide me support and love through thick and thin. That's why I have a lot of regards and spirit for my family. Then you have to talk about your friends. A particular friend, you have to keep it in your view, and you have to speak all the aspects about your friends. As you would say, my best friend is Edgar Linton. He is 25 years old. He's married, but he doesn't have any children. He lives in Birmingham, and he works in a factory. He's very loving and caring. He's very loyal friend, and he loves to walk in the park, and he loves swimming. So he plays hockey and cricket, but I don't like those games. I love to play football and volleyball, and but despite of that, we are we have good friendship. So next you have to talk about travel, and like you would say, I love to travel, but it's the winter in which I travel more, and in summer I avoid traveling. When I talk about UK, I love to travel in London, Birmingham and Lake districts, and I love all these places as they have some of the historical elements, and all facilities of life they are available there. So when I moved to Pakistan, I love to go to Mariswat, Malam Jabba. So these places they are full of refreshment, beauty, and you could say like a diversity of traveling, like mountain and plain areas, so rivers, every sort of thing you can find there. And when I talk about why I enjoy these travels, I'm in the habit of writing travels as well. I write something, some of the memories about travels. So everything about travel I like. It's only the summer season in which I dislike to travel. That's all about travels. Then you have to talk about your daily life routine and activities. When you would speak in a sequence, your daily routine, your weekends, and your activities on weekends and in your daily routine. So you have take particular position, as you would say, suppose as you are 14-year-old a school student. So you would say, I'm John, I'm 14 years old. So I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I take bath daily. After that, I go for a walk. Then I come back. I eat breakfast. I change my dress, wear my school uniform, and go to school. At 7:30, my school van reaches and collects me, and I reach school at 8 o'clock. My first lecture starts at 8 o'clock, and it ends at 8:40. My second lecture starts at 8:40, and it ends at 9:20. My third lecture starts at 9:20, and it ends at 10 o'clock. Then I have break from 10 to 10:30. So my fourth lecture starts at 10:30 and it ends at 11:10. My fifth lecture starts at 11:10 and it ends at 11:50. My sixth lecture starts at 11:50 and it ends at 12:30. After that, my school closes and my school van reaches and picks me, and I come back home. So I reach home at 1 o'clock. My mother prepares lunch for me, and my father also waits for me, as he does online business. So we eat lunch at 2 o'clock. So after that I take some rest. At 3 o'clock I go to park with my parents, and I enjoy walking and playing them. At 5 o'clock I come back, and I do my school work, watch my favorite cartoon, my favorite movies and dramas. So after that there is evening. So I chat with my father and mother. At 7 o'clock dinner is ready, and I eat dinner at 7:30. After that sometime I take tea, but sometime I don't take tea. So some of the reading tasks I complete, and at 9 o'clock I go to sleep. That's all about me. And when you talk about weekend routine is usually different as compared to daily routine. So everyone has different routine. You would say on weekend I usually get up late. That's 11 o'clock, and sometime at 10 o'clock I don't eat lunch, rather lunch and breakfast I eat together, so that's brunch. On weekend I eat some of the special foods like zinger burger, chicken biryani, and drinks, diversity of drinks and juices they are there. So these foods I enjoy. And sometime I go to long traveling with my father, and I visit my uncle and aunt's home. And on weekend, like my routine is very relaxed. That's all about your daily routine and your activities on weekend. Next, foods and restaurants. Like whenever you visit, you have to keep it in your view. As you would say, when I moved to restaurants, I eat Chinese and Asian foods. I don't like rice, but I like all other fast foods items. As compared to dinner experience, I don't like to have lunch, as dinner fascinates me a lot. So my dinner experience in hotels, as in the presence of lights, colorful lights, and diversity of people, I enjoy dinner there as compared to lunch. So different sort of books and movies I watch. I watch thrill and suspense movies, and I read novel and drama books. I almost have 100 novel books and 200 drama books. And movies collection, these thrill and suspense movies, almost 500 movies, they are with me in my laptop. And all these books and movies, they provide me some of the moral lessons through which I can reform myself, and I get in-depth insight about life and society. So next topic, you talk about your childhood memories. So all these aspects you have to keep it in your view. For example, as you would say, I remember when I was a 6 years old child, I was in class 1, and my mother, even when I came back home. And so after school, I used to play even with my mother, my father. Even he was very loving and caring. So they all took care a lot about me. And some of the experience I remember, they were positive and some were negative. Like once I fell in the school and received some of the injuries, and for 3 or 4 days I couldn't go to school. And after that I was recovered, and I went to school. During this period, my father and mother love, deep love, it's unforgettable for me. And mostly I would say the colorful dresses, even with cartoon photos, they were on my clothes. And the shoes, even they were with the lights. And foods, every sort of food, it was available for me. I remember, like, I was the lover of the zinger burger even during my childhood. And diversity of drinks, like juice and milk, it was present with me. And I enjoyed a lot. That's everything all about my childhood memories. Then you talk about your favorite places. For example, at home, like if you have plenty of 4, 5 or 6 rooms, but your favorite rooms, you talk about your favorite rooms and even places that you have visited, and the particular thing that you like about those places. For example, you would say, like my drawing room, it fascinates me a lot. Most of the time even I spend there. And sometime I read book, and sometime I chat with my friends. And some ancient and historical places, they fascinate me. And I like to visit there. So from these places I get peace of mind and seriousness. So, and further, excitement, enjoyment, and suspense is still there. Okay, whenever I plan these places, so a lot of suspense is in my mind. Then you have to learn how to share your opinion, like different topics. You have to keep it in your view, like you can talk about different professions, politics, sports, education, business, job, work. So every topic you can select, and you have to practice, you have to rehearsal, as we have discussed in the previous slides. So that's one of the examples. Okay, when you learn how to share opinion, for example, you would say like medical is good profession, but as compared to medical, I like engineering, as engineers they have diversity in their field, like they are mechanical engineers, they are civil engineers, so they have diverse functions. In the same way, you can talk about politics, like politicians, like they are the defender of the national constitutions, and like they defend the policies, and they work for the betterment of the publics. So in this way, on every topic, when you speak, when you share your opinion, so your spoken English aspects get strengthened. And then role play, like take real roles in real roles in your life. For example, I, we can be teacher student, we can father mother, brother sister, interviewer interviewee. So in every position, it provides us a real life situation, so we use dialogues, we use words. So our language and spoken aspects, it's enhanced. Simply, all these role play positions, they help us in speaking English. And for the storytelling, that's very ancient technique. It's a like you can say natural part of conveying information while telling stories. We discuss our ideas, experience, and interests, and further our fluency is developed. So that was all about that. It's end of the lecture. So take care of yourself, practice it, and follow directions, and hopefully your English will be enhanced. Thank you.